In today's video, we're taking a look at how to clean or repair your spark plug's gap, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot, thank you. So you woke up today and your motor vehicle, either a lawnmower or your vehicle itself or a generator or anything that uses a spark plug is not working how it's supposed to. It sounds like it woke up with a cough. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. And this technique will work for any spark plug. So once you have your spark plug removed and you're not replacing your spark plug, you're only cleaning it, giving it a facelift, we're gonna take our spark plug cleaning brush and gently remove any dirt or grime or any buildup on the head. And we want to do this gently because we do want the machine to turn back on, especially if you're not gonna work on the gap of the spark plug. But we're gonna show next on how to do that. Now that our spark plug is clean, we're gonna verify that the gap on the spark plug is correct. You can always verify this information with barbecue paper, with your owner's manual or the interwebs. In this particular spark plug, the gap should be 0.7 to 0.8 millimeters or 0.028 to 0.031 inches. And checking with our tool, we can see that our gap is too close compared to the amount that we need. And we're doing the test with the 0.7 millimeters. So this means we're gonna have to open it up a little bit. And because in our case it says 0.7 to 0.8, we're gonna choose 0.75, but you can always adjust this according to how your motor vehicle feels. We're going to use this spark plug tool gap tool, which you can use to measure the gap of your spark plugs with the outer rings, as you can see the numbers on it. But in this case, we're going to use the inner ring to open the spark plug up. You always want to make sure that you don't press against the tip or whichever tool you want to use. If in your case you need to open the spark plug, you can use this method. But let's say you need to close the spark plug gap, we're going to use this tool that we feel that it's more accurate. It doesn't bend the tip and gives it a flatter bendage. We're basically going to open the tool, place our spark plug, then place our measuring tool on the gap with the correct size that we want and turn our tool until it pushes down the head until our desired gap. And what this does, it gives you a better control and a straighter bend at the top. Once we got in our desired gap, we can loosen the tool, remove the spark plug and verify that it is correct. As you can see, it's a tight fit. That means it's good. Now that we cleaned and fixed the gap of the spark plug, or we're gonna place a new one, we're ready to reverse engineer our way to glory. You can also check the gap on your new spark plug just to verify that it does have the correct aperture. We want to start the spark plug by hand to make sure that we don't ruin the gap and also that we don't ruin the threads on the body as well as the spark plug. We can go ahead and finish it off with our wrench, and once we feel that it's tight, we stop. And remember, you always don't want to over tighten, because the last thing you want is to first fix something and then break it, or next time you go to change the spark plug, you can't even take it off. And now you've done it. You become a spark igniter, a controller of the machines of this planet. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community may help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link for our latest video.